This is Assateague Island National Seashore, the Maryland side, on August 17th, 2011, 10 after 1 on a Wednesday, and people are still pouring over the dunes. It is a pretty crowded day. I'd say about half the people on the beach, half the people in the water, and you can see people are still coming over. The parking lot looks pretty full. And let's say we have one lifeguard there, one lifeguard there, and one lifeguard on a lunch break. That leaves two lifeguards for an estimated maybe 1,000 people in the water from the northernmost part to the southernmost part. This is Assateague Island National Park.